Hey everyone, this is James with another Compu Show video. This time it's gonna be kind of a cool pan and tilt rain effect. I've got my capture atlas set up here, sending ArtNet with my SDE, and this is what the effect looks like. It's a pretty cool, pretty fun effect to run with the show when you've got, more than a handful of movers. It's just, it looks endless, it like never ends. It's like a stampede of lighting. um, so I'm going to show you guys how to make this. And basically, I'm just going to start over. See some of my other looks that I made here. Pretty cool. I like capture, I really do. So, actually I'm just going to edit this one. And so I'm going to go into it. Control left click. And you can see all I've really done is made this across two different fixtures, or two different levels of fixtures, really. I've got the ones that are hanging right here, which are these. And then I've got these right here, which are these three and these three up here. Basically, all it is once I select upper right, upper left, I just create a curve effect on the tilt channel. I do a ramp. I set the ramp to that level, and I phase it, and then I go in and I add a dimmer, easy time, ramp, adjust the curve of the ramp, same phase as the pan, or I'm sorry, as the tilt. That's super important so they match together, so that way when you play it, it flows nice. So let's just, I'm just going to show you how to do just the one level in a new scene. So do new scene, call it rain, or PT rain. So do empty, okay, we'll set it. And I'm just going to turn on like some backlighting from the fuse wash Z350. And I've got a palette here I can use. There we go. Some light. And then I got some of these. Let's turn on the key lights so we can see our people. And what we'll do is we'll go back to the FLX fixtures that are hanging down right there. And I'm just gonna turn them on. And I don't even need to do much. I just go easy time, length, pan, and tilt. And then I do a curve. And I just hit play, and then I adjust the constant level of the pan to be kind of where I want it to be, where they point straight out. But now I want to go to tilt. I stop playing it just because I don't want it to start jumping around immediately. And I'll do a ramp. Make the ratio so that way it's just one. Maybe try to check the amplitude. I don't want to go all the way back, but we don't want to go all the way up high either, so let's try that. I want to go a little bit higher. It's all the way up, but not all the way. That's not too bad. I'll start out about maybe midway, and then jump all the way up. So yeah, that's a good range right there. We'll just do 31 phase or 41, any phasing that you kind of want. You just don't want them too close together for like, I don't know, this looks like a tilt wave, you know. No, the can line. Just do 31, 32, something like that. So, and then just click OK. Just kind of make that small. That's it. And now we just need to link each time to the dimmer. And we'll compress them so it's all nice and neat. Take a curve, stick it on the dimmer, click OK. And we do a ramp. And you're going to want them to kind of like stay off for a little bit longer. Put the same phase number as the tilt that we did, which was 31. And let's see how this plays. Yeah, perfect. See how it just bam, 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 like that. That's pretty cool. So now we could do this again with the other FLX setup there. Pretty simple to do, right? One thing I kind of want to try, just real quick, is I want to take easy time and link it to like yellow fader. I think I have to do all of them for CMY for color. There we go. Oh, I got a color effect. Take another curve for color. And it says Mercury blue, but I'm sure it's cyan, magenta, yellow. So we'll do the ramp. Do the same 31 phase and see how this looks. So, so let's do. Do that a little bit. Oh, something fun to play with. So now that we've done this, we've selected that. Now we can unselect that and do the upper ones. Let's do upper left and upper right. Same process. Turn them on. Link them, but make sure that your other lights are not selected, because then they're gonna kind of redo it all based off of this new fixture order, which would be those 12 hanging and then these 6 up top. So just make sure you don't have anything else selected for this level on your truss. Just to kind of make it nice and clean. So we'll go to curve, turn them around. Make sure that's straight. The ramp. I'm just gonna let them play a little bit faster to kind of get your positioning right. I'll set it more than that. Yeah. And then these, maybe we can mix it up a little bit by doing 41 instead of 31. Do go a little bit higher. We'll click OK. And then we'll do this dimmer channel as well. Blah, can't talk. Blah. Another curve channel and ramp. Do 41. Let's see how it looks. You can see it tick down a little bit. So let's hold the dimmer for a little bit longer than that. So let's see if that helps. There we go. That's good. And we can do the same color thing that we did before, or just pick a static color. Gives it a nice breakup. And so that's how you do that. That's how you create the pan and tilt rain effect or whatever. I think it's pretty cool. And definitely a trick to have in your, or something to stick in your little book of tricks for programming the show. So just keep it in mind. Do something cool with it. In fact, show me how you use this in your rig. And, if I like it enough, maybe get you some swag or whatever. So check it out. Like, comment, subscribe to this video. Let me know how you liked it. Let's see how you used it. Have fun. All right. Talk to you later.